Whoa. Moving right along.
That must be why we're not shipping Windows 98 yet.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And the game award goes to, oh man, I have to pay a microtransaction to unlock. That's so stupid that this has to, hold on, I got this, guys. Here we go. You know it's true. It's really stupid.
It's the exception rather than the rule. And I'm also happy to very publicly point out that NVIDIA has been one of the worst trouble spots we've had with hardware manufacturers. And that is really sad because NVIDIA tries to sell chips, a lot of chips, into the Android market. And NVIDIA has been the single worst company we've ever dealt with. So NVIDIA, fuck you.
Hello, I'm Bill Gates, Chairman of Microsoft. In this video, you're going to see the future, Windows. Microsoft first came up with the Windows concept back in 1983. And today, the leading software users have switched into the Windows environment. It's really incredible how quickly our powerful applications like Word and Excel and PowerPoint have been adopted. It's not just Microsoft applications. Even companies like WordPerfect and Lotus have now come out with Windows applications. And every week we see new innovative work. It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry. We predicted this a long time ago, and now it's the future. Let's take a look.
I got 4 words for you. I love this company. Yes!
Developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers. Developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers. Yes!
You've discovered a bunch of virtual machines, and we can go look at all those virtual machines and what they are. Maybe. You know, I always love it when demos break. Yeah, I know, I forgot. So, why are we talking here? I'm going to go install Chrome.
My camera's not turning on. What's that? I did slide it and let go. Not turning on. Here. Okay. We'll let an expert see if he can turn it on.
Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.
If you've messaged anybody this week, would you share with us the names of the people you've messaged?
Senator, no, I would probably not choose to do that publicly here.
I think that may be what this is all about.
Let's plug it in. It's going to say, hey, I see you plugged in a new device, and it's going to load in the appropriate drivers. You'll notice that this scanner build, whoa. Moving right along.
That must be why we're not shipping Windows 98 yet.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And the game award goes to, oh man, I have to pay a microtransaction to unlock. That's so stupid that this has to, hold on, I got this, guys. Here we go. You know it's true. It's really stupid.
It's the exception rather than the rule. And I'm also happy to very publicly point out that NVIDIA has been one of the worst trouble spot we've had with hardware manufacturers. And that is really sad because NVIDIA tries to sell chips, a lot of chips, into the Android market. And NVIDIA has been the single worst company we've ever dealt with. So NVIDIA, fuck you.
Hello, I'm Bill Gates, Chairman of Microsoft. In this video, you're going to see the future, Windows. Microsoft first came up with the Windows concept back in 1983. And today, the leading software users have switched into the Windows environment. It's really incredible how quickly our powerful applications like Word and Excel and PowerPoint have been adopted. It's not just Microsoft applications. Even companies like WordPerfect and Lotus have now come out with Windows applications. And every week we see new innovative work. It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry. We predicted this a long time ago, and now it's the future. Let's take a look.
I have 4 words for you. love this company. Yes!
Developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers. Developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers. Yes!
You've discovered a bunch of virtual machines, and we can go look at all those virtual machines and what they are. Maybe. You know, I always love it when demos break. Yeah, I know, I know, I forgot. So, why are we talking here? I'm going to go install Chrome.
My camera's not turning on. What's that? I did slide it and let go. It's not turning on. Here. Okay. We'll let an expert see if he can turn it on.
Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.
If you've messaged anybody this week, would you share with us the names of the people you've messaged?
Senator, no, I would probably not choose to do that publicly here.
I think that may be what this is all about.
Let's plug it in. It's going to say, hey, I see you plugged in a new device, and it's going to load in the appropriate drivers. You'll notice that this scanner build, whoa. Moving right along.
That must be why we're not shipping Windows 98 yet.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And the game award goes to, oh man, I have to pay a microtransaction to unlock. That's so stupid that this has to, hold on, I got this, guys. Here we go. You know it's true. It's really stupid.
It's the exception rather than the rule. And I'm also happy to very publicly point out that NVIDIA has been one of the worst trouble spot we've had with hardware manufacturers. And that is really sad because NVIDIA tries to sell chips, a lot of chips, into the Android market. And NVIDIA has been the single worst company we've ever dealt with. So NVIDIA, fuck you.
Hello, I'm Bill Gates, Chairman of Microsoft. In this video, you're going to see the future, Windows. Microsoft first came up with the Windows concept back in 1983. And today, the leading software users have switched into the Windows environment. It's really incredible how quickly our powerful applications like Word and Excel and PowerPoint have been adopted. It's not just Microsoft applications. Even companies like WordPerfect and Lotus have now come out with Windows applications. And every week we see new innovative work. It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry. We predicted this a long time ago, and now it's the future. Let's take a look.
I have 4 words for you. I love this company. Yes!
Developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers. Developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers, developers. Yes!
You've discovered a bunch of virtual machines, and we can go look at all those virtual machines and what they are. Maybe. You know, I always love it when demos break. Yeah, I know, I know, I forgot. So, why are we talking here? I'm going to go install Chrome.
My camera's not turning on. What's that? I did slide it and let go. It's not turning on. Here. Okay. We'll let an expert see if he can turn it on.
Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.
If you've messaged anybody this week, would you share with us the names of the people you've messaged?
Senator, no, I would probably not choose to do that publicly here.
I think that may be what this is all about.
Hello everyone. Hope you liked my new intro, as you already know, probably. Sahil, hello, welcome. Caillou, hello, welcome, how are you? Where's the music actually? We don't have one. Yep, that's the music. That's nice. So I hope you like the intro, right? I mean, I try to create something creative at least. Seskante, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. That's nice. Twitch gave us all possible resolutions, and you can choose which resolution you want to watch the stream. And the sound setting seems okay. The music seems okay. That's nice. That is very nice. So maybe we can start the first clash of tonight. Where is it? Yeah, let's start a private clash for the first clash of tonight. I just copied the link and updated my command so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Oh, Alice is online. Let's invite him. Maybe he will join. Oh, Alice also joined us, nice. Topira, welcome. Alice, welcome. Okay, we are now 5 players. But let's not wait too much for the people. Let's launch the clash. The program must output whether that year given on a standard input is a leap year or not. Oh my god, Alice. How many seconds? Oh. I am so slow. That is fun. I mean, difficulty is perfect statement and test case relevancy are ideal. I mean, probably most of the programming languages have some built-in functionality for the prime number. I think not prime number. Yeah, but not quick enough. Okay, Sahil and Kayu also sold. At this point, it's just typing speed. Yeah, I mean. But how is the Ruby here? Oh. Looks like there's no built-in functionality in Ruby. That's weird. I mean. Lupita, there's a built-in in Python. Is there any? No. 22 Alpha, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, what is the Lupita makes it? Oh, that's not the rule, by the way, Lupita. As you can, if you check Alice code, I mean, if there is no built-in functionality, for example, you can just calculate it like that. In here, for example, yeah, this is the usual. Here is divisible by 400, or year can be divisible by 4, and year cannot be divisible by 100. This is the actually, as Wikipedia state, I mean, this is the exactly what as a formula. There probably is a built-in, but it was faster jump hammer out definition rather. Oops. What the? Oh my goodness! Stop posting this Nightbot. I mean. Okay, I'm giving you unmod Nightbot right now. Yeah, I removed this moderator privilege. Sorry about it again, but sometimes when people just type blah blah dot blah blah, some of the bot thinks it's a link or something like that. Yeah, that was nice. I mean, everyone can solve this one almost in less than 2 minutes. That is great. So let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. You mostly get well-meaning visitors your stream. Yeah, actually, I mean, I don't need too much actually, but if, I mean, an idiot comes and posts some links or posts some adult content, and I mean, part of what makes you're so chill. Cool people, good music, awesome streamer, and tons of clutch. Yeah, thank you so much, Alice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. A treasure stream. Oh my goodness. I mean, that means a lot to me, honestly. Thank you so much. I almost maybe for a week, I mean, I start to stream every night probably, but it's some kind of tired. I mean, it can be tiring sometimes, but I mean, it's really nice to have some people like you, honestly, and solving together and learn from you, which is probably the best thing that I have ever done outside of my daily job. Andrea also joined. That's nice. We are now 6 players, so let's go. There's a reverse mode. Oh, this is a pin solution. Oh. Yeah, I remember that. I actually voted this a few days ago as an upvote. Pink, write me on the chat. Pins, write me on the chat. And the question itself of base what actually? Which is probably from base 10 here. This is the base 2, for example, here. And this is the base 8 probably, but wait a second. Ruby does have some functionality, if I remember correctly. Or Python. Or it was Python. Or is it? Oh, but there's also some letters here. For example, this means probably an hexadecimal, right? Yeah. But that's okay. So, for example, var base is Oh, you early click submit button, yeah. Sometimes people do that. Sometimes I also do that, actually. Oh, hmm. Oh, C#, I think C# does not support such a functionality in any way, but normal base 1 doesn't exist for integer, yeah. Prompts showed me that split in Ruby will also split on top, which is kind of annoying and possibly a bug. The last one I saw gave an error, but I had already clicked submit. But well, that's not the point actually. Tazokami, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. I don't think I can solve this one. After I split on space, except that I didn't work in Ruby, so I had to split in regex. In JavaScript, it just works fine. Funny. So all the oh, I am the only one who's not submitted. Sorry about that. I just wait. I mean, I really can't solve this one, honestly. I can't think of any proper solution. Sorry, I don't want to wait too, honestly. I will just submit it. Maybe check Alice codes. No. We should check the other possible readable codes here. What are the let's see use code? Oh, this is more readable actually. So if what was the A? A is the first one. It's bigger than 1 here, while X is the number itself. R is A X mod ln A plus R. And let's check the JavaScript code here. It is the same way. Oh, this is the same usage actually. Okay, let's learn it. Looks like this is the ln A is the same as the base. Okay, you will get the number of module of X here plus R, and X is divided by itself ln of A. Else what X was number here, A0 is the first one. Yeah, okay, that's a radix here for the A input. R or A0. So this will get the oh, I think I understand this one. Yeah, radix unary, exactly. But I just didn't get that one. What is the elf here? Which is, there's only one number, X times X is the number itself, and A0, which can be the character. For example, it can be dot. Yeah, probably you can. I mean, in Python, probably you can. Yeah. Okay, that's a very nice solution, by the way. Alice done the different way, probably. That's nice. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current clash link. The one side of being able to do non-multiple by string is every single multiplication in Python has to take an extra step to check the type of the other argument. I guess it is worthwhile to trade off, but I understand why Ruby didn't bother with it. Mega, hello. Netto, welcome. Alice also joined, that's nice. You are now 8 players. Let's launch the clash. Find the biggest square formed by only once in a given matrix and by a That was a very nice question actually. Maybe I just need to iterate all the submatrices itself. Jack, welcome. So, Taratoro, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Marco, welcome. Yeah, I always try to code in C# because it is the most familiar language I know. Just 3 times 3 matrix. And Alice already solved this one. Azokami, welcome. Maybe we can use some brute force. Find out every possible ones that can be formed, for example. But you probably will get timeout if there's. What are the test cases here? Oh, yeah. Might have some problems. For example, for a brute force approach here. For example, iterating all the rows and the columns. If it is 1, if I find 1, maybe for every time when I found one, I just I might need to count that it is the starting point, for example 0 0, like starting point of the matrix, and I will continue how many times I can go right or down as a matrix. That means it gives, and this one gives me the maximum number of. To do that, but I need to iterate for all the ones in such a calculation. And this will get probably for the second one, this will probably get the timeout also. Or is it? Yeah, it will get timeout probably. It took me forever to figure out I took the input as a string, so I included all the space as well. Way angry, yeah. Why still only 50%? That's nice. Maybe can I do that? I mean, I just maybe. No, that's not. But as I said, maybe I should iterate all the items in the matrix, and if I found one, I just need to go at the same time to the right and to the down. So for a starting point on that current one, I need to calculate what is the maximum size of that. This one can be the starting point of the some matrix. This approach seems implementable at least, but it's not actually. Yeah, it's not actually. I mean, it will be the in worst case. We need to iterate, and O and O(n) square will be time complexity here. No, don't say that. I mean, 50% is not bad at all. I don't think so. It's better than 0%. I mean, if you can see the bright side. Like me, for example, I am now the 0%. Yeah, I mean, this brute force approach will probably get timeout for iterating all the ones and all the ones that's starting all the matrices that start as a starting that one. Yeah, it won't be efficient either. Oh, brute force works, really? Oh. I thought you will get some timeout for the brute force for every possible iterated for every once, and for the check the current one is as a starting point of the matrix, that how it can go as a size. You can just sit there for 10 minutes searching for the optimal solution, independent something. Yeah, you're right, I mean. I choose a bad approach. By the middle I was randomly changing for the conditions until test all tests, not enough for the resolution. Yeah, exactly, the inputs are definitely small for the brute force. But in C#, I mean, you will probably get timeout. I get timeout a lot whenever I try to use some brute force approach. Yeah. Let's check Alice code, for example. Oramitan. Thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Yeah, probably, I mean, there should be a better algorithm here for some probably kind of dynamic programming, probably, but I'm not sure, honestly. Let's check Sahiko's here. Do possible. Yeah, that's the one I think I actually, yeah. You can write the possible for a starting point. For example, you will go all the ones as you will get the maximum number of that as a starting point with that one, and you just need to iterate for all the items here also, and you will get the maximum of the current M and the possible length here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's very nice actually. I mean, it is quite understandable. As this is probably the brute force solution, or I should do in C# also. Yeah, that's nice. My solution doesn't work. I just look at the first row and first column. Oh, look, Andre, you get 75% with only just looking for the first column and the first row. That's nice. I mean, at least for each position of the matrix. Oh, okay. That's nice. I mean, at least I understand the solution also. So let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Programmer, hello. Wow, we are now 10 players right now. That's nice. Oh, you deleted your old account. Is this one you start new? I mean, it doesn't look like new. It is level 12. That's impressive. If you just started this one. That's your 10 account or something. Oh, okay. We are now 10 players. Let's launch the Clash. Given an integer, and you have to return difference between the sum of the digits at even positions and the sum of the digits at odd positions. Oh, okay, that's easy, I think. Even minus odd. Oh my goodness, at least 40%? Really? This should work, I think. That is perfect. It's the first time. That was Opsy. I thought I just needed to change the 0 to 1, so I made the change and didn't bother to rerun the test. Wow, a lot of people already solved this one. That's nice. It is fun. Difficulty, I mean, quite easy, probably. Statements and test case deployability are ideal. Not sure what I want wrong actually. Let's share your code. Let's check your code. But I... No, that's not... You did odd minus even. Yeah, exactly. This is the odd ones. No, that's the even ones. Oh yeah, you did odd ones, odd minus even. Yeah, I mean, it seems so. Yeah, you had to swap maybe plus equal and minus equal, exactly. Yeah, finally here, Alice. This is the place you should belong. I mean, finally it is the 10th place. This is the only thing that I want. Yeah, what is the feel like? Yeah, you now you experienced with the same feeling with like the other people also. I mean, what is the feeling the 10th place, huh? The bigger they are, the harder they feel. Okay, so everybody... Oh, only Rohit's still clashing. Rise of Ninja, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Yeah, did it hurt? Exactly. What does it feel like here, huh? Yeah, only... What is this? Yeah, Rohit also solved this one. If it were rated, I would absolutely crush it. Yeah. I mean, you can... Oh, who is the... Joy-Con in Swift? You didn't share your code. I mean, if you know other... check other, for example. Zorxy also sold in C#. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, you can also only use one variable here. For example, plus equal, a plus equal, or a minus equal, as Alice did it, by the way. Yeah, I mean, this works also. That's nice. I mean, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. It's usually the really easy ones that I don't even like that, but I think it's so simple that I don't even need to check. Yeah. On high rank, it feels so intense. One unlucky clash and you are pushed back to rank 100, fired from your work. Oh, that is cruel. I mean, that's not very nice. Dracula, welcome. This is the first time I think, first time to see you. Dunstorm. I remember this nickname, but I'm not sure you joined before. Okay, we are now 13 people. Let's launch the Clash. Aha, I remember this one. Yes! Oh, submitted, submitted. Yes! This is the first... Oh my goodness, 59 seconds. It is a fun difficulty. Perfect escape limits are ideal. Ah. Now what I know what is the feel, what Alice feels like exactly. I mean, previous question he was feeling the same way with us, but now I feel the same way with Alice. I mean, where's my cigarette? I mean, I need to smoke something right now. Mega, Cyrus, Sahil also solved this one. Dracula 0%. Yeah, of course, the bad things that I write here, I just already know the formula. How is it calculated? By the way, I really want to delete this sub goal right now. It seems quite annoying. Something like when I go to restaurant, I mean, something the waitress comes to your hand, why asking you why didn't you give a tip or something like that. I mean, I will delete this sub goal. I mean, it's quite stupid actually. Yeah, this is the better actually. I don't like it to use it honestly. What is this? 1, 1, 2, 5, 4, 30s, 7, 140. I don't know. Maybe you should write it on Wolfram Alpha or something, or there are a lot of sequence finder on the internet. You can use them. You also solved this one. Andrea also solved this one. Zorzi, Zorzi. I think it's pronounced Zorzi, right? I mean, I'm not sure, but Netta also solved this one. But I'm really curious. I mean, of course, there's some probably calculation, a logical calculation. But since I knew the formula itself, how can I use the maximum number of squares in a given square? So I just use it this one. Am I dropping some frames? I mean, how is the stream quality, by the way? OBS Studio sometimes shows some drops, but I'm not sure, honestly. Is stream quality okay? Yeah, it seems fixed right now. Oh, that's an... Wait a second, I will check this one. Alice also solved this one. 9th place, I mean. How can you live with that, Alice? How can you live with the 9th place? Life is so hard, huh? Okay, there are only four players left. Check my code, okay. Oh my goodness. Please don't look at this code, guys. I mean, you might be blind after it. Oh my goodness. Wait a second, wait a second. You write some white space code in here and call it from Ruby? What's with whitespace.new here? There's a new program, probably. I have to do it because coding game doesn't support whitespace yet. Oh my goodness, you are a completely evil man. Why are you doing to us? I mean, we are good people. Don't do it us again. I mean, we are good people, Alice. Don't do it to us. Even my eyes hurt when I try to read. Oh my goodness, I am closing this code. I participated in a clash that made by Alice that asked for something about blanks. We are good people, actually. You were being jerked in the clash. Yeah, I mean, okay, only Lopida leave that one. By the way, who was cool? The white space interpreter problem, yeah. I mean, who is this code? I mean, yeah, I mean, everybody solves with this one, but I'm not sure I will get this idea. 4e in range, k is plus equal to e square. So maybe that's why this is the netos code, I mean, here. And while decrementing n, s sum is plus equal to n square. Oh, that is nice. I mean, this is a better solution that I have a formula in my head. I mean, I just know that, for example, if there's an n line or row, and the number itself, a calculation, for example, n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Since it is n here, it is n minus 1 calculation. Since, for example, 1 square can be written as 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. I calculated it as a minus 1 here. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, but this approach is way better than the formula itself, I think. This approach is quite better than the remembering formula itself. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, probably everybody solved this one. At least learn how to solve this one. That's nice. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Coding is in Brainfuck is significantly harder, yeah. My program for this first problem was honestly pretty straightforward. Dump is a funny keyword, yeah. Is cheating bugs still a fun programming challenge? Yeah. Okay, we are now 13 players. Let's launch the clash. Convert the product of two numbers to an alphabet. 0 index is more than 26 product being alphabet. A blah blah blah. Okay. And two integers IB. I do not get this one exactly, but let me check. Ah, this seems easy. Oops. That is nice. Oh my goodness, you guys are extremely fast. Wow. That's nice. This fun difficulty is quite easy. Statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Hansination, hello. Now I feel like has to be typing all the letters. Yeah, I mean, you can just, for example, find the number itself and add the maybe if your language doesn't support. Bambi, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Or probably you can find that another solution that you don't even need to all the letters. Honor went from 1st to 9th and I went the exact opposite. Yeah, I mean, I am used to be here, honestly, but you are not used to be here. So being nice won't hurt to me, but it will definitely hurt you. I mean, I know that. That is great. I mean, everyone solved this one, probably. First 2 units only. Yeah, typing fast and thinking fast will be hurt to normal people also, yeah. I mean, look at this. What a nice way to generate something like that. Yeah, I mean, it's quite nice actually. Is it all C# on this channel? No, I mean, you can when you join Clash, you can use which language you want. As you can see here, I mean, people solved in Ruby, Python, JavaScript, C, C#, and yes, so all the other languages also. Coding game supports a lot of languages, by the way. You are not used to being there, but I am. Sounds like what Bane sees in the third Batman. I was born in 9th, molded by 9th. I mean, do you always code in C#? Yeah, I mean, it's the first, actually, the most that I can practice as a programming language is C#. Is there any websites like Coding Game? I mean, there are a lot of yeah, there are a lot of websites like, for example, HackerRank and LeetCode, CodeWars, and Katis, and there are a lot of websites similar to Coding Game, not the, exactly, but nothing quite like Clash of Code, as Alice said. Exactly. Wow, everybody solved ISPAN in 5 minutes as a 100%. That's nice. So, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Şalev, selamlar, hoş geldin. Şöyle bunu Google'a sorabilirsin ya. Hiç fikrim yok açıkçası. Araba firmaları olarak. Veya bizim Discord kanalına katılıp orada da sorabilirsin. Belki orada biri biliyordur. MC, welcome. First time to see you, I think. And Nate, welcome. First time to see you. Maxim, welcome. And yeah, we are now 13 people. Let's launch the Clash. The abacus consists of number of rows, movable beads which can be activated by moving them to the right of the abacus. Each active bead represents a power of 10 depending on their row. The abacus dimensions are always 10 based and times 9 rows. Find the floating represented the abacus. I don't get this one. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. No, it is the 10. No, it is the 10, not. That's the length. Looking here. Yani şöyle aslında evet, yani en başlarda Türkçe yapıyordum yayınları, fakat Türkçe yapınca çok az bir kişinin ilgisini çekiyor burada. Maalesef ki. Ben de Türkçe yapmak isterim yayınları ama gerçekte olmuyor maalesef. O yüzden İngilizce yapmaya karar verdim ben de. Yani keşke Türkçe yapıp bu sayılara ulaşabilseydik ama insanların ilgisini çekmiyor maalesef yayınlarda gelip bu şekilde yapmak. This one works. This one should work probably. Let's build test cases. Oops. Oh my goodness, it won't work. And 14, it is the actually the but wait a sec. The other ones, all of them are, yeah, all of them are complete the 14 here. Maybe I just need to give a digit bigger than 1. I should add it. What? Is always -1? Oh right, there is no than 0 then. Oops, I just need to insert that. Another 50%, really? Oh, maybe this one. Oh, the last two is always. So that's why I need to add. Yeah, the last one is always this one. Maybe I don't need to insert after all. And if it is length, yeah, I mean this one These ones don't work like that. I don't feel I understand the question perfectly. I mean, each row is 1 power of x. X is the line number here. What is a binary? This should work, for example, for this one. What? Why this one didn't add these? That's weird. I mean, these binary ones also have this one. For example, this is the last index of the that's here, and there is 10 number after it. Are people actually counting like that? I mean, probably not, but when I was a child, I used a lot of abacus. Not like that, probably. Using some that's a very nice profile picture, by the way. Oh, in China. Oh, okay. I didn't know that actually. Maybe they might use some for example preschooling. I don't know, maybe they might have a usage in preschools. Can get very good at manipulating one, then the answers are fairly complex arithmetic problems are just right to be there, to be counted up. I mean, my eyes hurts. I don't know why, but maybe because of the light. I don't know. It's rather fast since we don't really count things when there's only a few of them. We sabotage, yeah. Sort of subconsciously know how many there are, yeah. I mean, I don't know, honestly. Eyes little bit hurts right now. Speaking of some, I proposed the Clash to implement the full header circuit. Does it feel bad to not be able to count? I mean, I don't know. I had an Abacus class in school as an extra class. Oh really? As an extra class? I can submit it, I mean. I can solve this one as 100%. It's fun. The question is how difficult is perfect statements and test case relevancy are ideal. You multiply and divide even. Multiple and divide even. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I got 16% too. I mean, as you can see here, we both get 16%. Let's check Andres code here as the first one. Oh, split this one and get the rest after this one length. Oh, that's smart. And which is the ten times O. O is 0 plus row times 1. What is the meaning of row times 1 here? Row isn't the row of the string here? We both didn't see sharp 2, yeah. Did Ford, she's a pro gamer. Oh, parsing, but no needs. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Then you just divide it by 100 to fix the last 2 digits. Yeah. That's nice. I mean, let's back to home. That's a very nice Clash, by the way. I really like it, how to using it. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and yeah, updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. That carry forward was a challenging part, exactly. Did you type too early? No, Curious already joined. Kajiksi, hello, how are you? Long time no see. That's the one bot posted, so yeah. Yeah, Alice is sometimes talking with bots. I mean, he said beep bop, you can see on the chat sometimes. He has an Android mode, so he can switch to Android mode whenever he wants. Okay, we are now 14 people, so let's launch the clash. Yeah, Maradona died today, yeah. What a legend. Is the broadcast in English? Yes, I mean, but if you write in Turkish in the chat, I will try to respond also in Turkish. Given a natural number and count the number of ways to write it as the product of any pair of natural numbers. A times B. For example, n, we can write it 2 times 1 or 1 times 2, so we have 2 ways to write it as an AB. So you can type in Turkish as well, because you see it won't matter too much. Yeah, boop bap, beep bop. Also, sometimes Alice said the same things. Oh my goodness, what the hell is going on? These people are quite fast. Did you switch from the local broadcast to national broadcast? Yes, I did. I mean, I honestly tried to stream in Turkish at first, but not a lot of people joined when I tried to stream in Turkish, so I decided to continue in English. So, oh, wait a second, maybe... Why not I just need to find the... Will it always be English? That's a hard question, actually. I mean, I don't know if there are enough people to come to my stream and in Turkish, and I will stream in Turkish also. But for now, no. I mean, I'm not planning, honestly. By the way, why not we can just find here, for example, is var count is 0 and for var is starting 1 e less full than n e plus plus if and not 0 count plus plus, and after the here console line This should work, I think. Yeah, that is perfect. No, it is not perfect. This case 3 failed. Oops. Drop is coming in broadcast. Really? The OBS Studio does not show it, but maybe I just not did the count and maybe and let's try like that. Let's try like that. Oh, but seems it gets only the... Oh, maybe I just need to... It gets all the other sides, actually. Yeah. Oops. What is the test case for here? Oh, this is long here. Overflow exception. R16. That sucks. Maybe I just need to define this one. Yeah, that's nice. I can submit it. So this question is quite fun. Difficulty is perfect. Statements and test case redundancy are ideals. Well, it's mostly just sugar map bar. Blah blah blah blah. Oh yeah. Is there any drop, by the way, right now on the stream? I mean, actually OBS Studio does not show any okay, I don't understand how your code deal with the case. The case n is a square. It seems your size will always be even. Well, which size? I mean, oh, you are talking about Alice. Oh, okay. Why I can't say accepted contributions in coding game? I don't know, honestly. Okay. There's only 5 people left right now. Oh, it's a bug. Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, refreshing usually helps, as always. Restarting, refreshing. These are some kind of unwritten rules in the computer programming. Andre used 75%. I mean, maybe you can check the other people's solution also in JavaScript. For example, Curious solved this one in JavaScript. Have you tried turning it off and leaving it that way? You are saying to me, Alice? I didn't get it. Or you are talking to programmer, I think. MCA 75%. You can check the other solution in Python. For example, Sahil and Kai also solved in Python. It's a spin off the old just tried restarting it joke. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. I'm pretty bad. I didn't get it. I'm sorry. Yeah, we heard Curious Try. We heard that Maradona died today. Yeah, such a legend, huh? I mean, I'm not watching too much football, honestly, for past 10 years probably, but and he was a legend on the Argentina, so not actually Argentina, all around the world, I mean. Netto 0%. Maybe you can check the Curious Try, which is, or Lapidow solutions. They solve 100%. We only waiting for Mega right now. Let us start another game. I mean, it's only 1 minute left. I mean, if I don't know, Mega usually maybe still clashing, or didn't, or maybe she is AFK, but and oh, really? She's not online? I did not see anything, but okay. As you want. I didn't know how to check the other. Sometimes when I see green dot in their profile, which is online, but I'm not sure is there any in coding game also. So let's back to home then. Let's start a private flash. Let's start a new one. And I just copy the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Oh, you cannot see her invites as you follow her. Okay. That means, yeah, there's, for example, in here, Alice is online, so I can't see the invite button here. Yeah, exactly. Oh, there's a disable option for invites. Oh, I didn't know that. But I often see her invite. I mean, that's okay. He will join this one probably if he is still online. Looks like she is not online right now. What's happening to my eyes? I mean, lighting kills me somehow. I don't know. And it's less like possible that she will disable it right now. Yeah, exactly. Okay, we are now 14 people. Let's launch the clash. Blue light filter. For the screen, I mean, I already use a program called Flux, for example. Maybe you already know. There's a lost integer. Yeah, I am already using it, but I used my mobile phone to get this light, since I'm not using any inside of the room's light. Otherwise, it will be very dark if I close it. That is perfect, so I can submit it. signal end of the output. Oh, very annoying. Yeah, actually, you're right. Arithmetic useful for languages without easy string splitting capabilities, I guess. Maybe. Just fun. I like this kind of questions. Difficulty is perfect. Test case implements are ideal. Oh, you only count the... Oh. Yeah, I mean, XOR solution, this kind of questions I usually use XOR way to, I mean, it's quite simple and easy to use actually. But Alice, what if, for example, if let's say all the numbers except the result one are the showing 3 times and the result one is showing only two times. Is your solution still works in such a case? For example, 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3. That will never happen. But the question itself, I mean, only get the missing digit. Then about which one shows up a distinct number of times. It is which number cannot be paired up with a match. Oh, you're right, yeah. Maybe I will misunderstand the question. You're right, yeah. Yeah. All the non-result numbers must show up an even number of times. Yeah, exactly. I agree. Curiously, it's a XOR operation. For example, XOR equal to Y is equal to X equal X XOR Y. For example, like something like that. And it's probably you already know this one. And which is an XOR operation, but you already know this one probably. Yeah, exactly, XOR bitwise. Yeah, as I write in the chat, I mean. Exactly. Oh, what is XOR? XOR gate, I mean... You can check the Wikipedia page, which is the... For example, XOR gate returns 1 here, which is here it is truth table, if the inputs are not equal, as you can see here. If the inputs are not equal, it returns 1. If the inputs are equal, it returns 0. That means, for example, if I have odd number of value, which is the same value, all the pairs which is equal to 0 or 0 or 1 1 will get the result as a 0, and all the pairs will be deleted itself. That means I get only the left one itself. Exactly. A XOR A is returns 0. Exactly. So all pairs of sound will cancel out. Exactly. Yeah, Ali, as Ali said, A XOR B XOR A is equal to B for as many A's you like. The example I have seen is find out which serial number has been checked out but never returned. Okay, programmer, you can check the other Python solutions also, for example here. Okay, Curious Try, Rohit and Siwa are still clashing here. That's nice. So you XOR the serial number when it gets out, and again then it's come back. Exactly. For example, as Ali said in the little bit up, and A XOR B XOR A is equal to B for as many A's you like. Yeah, it's a quite known bitwise operations. I mean, you can check on the Google with some kind of bitwise operations, something like that. You will definitely find this one. Okay, there's 3 minutes left. Curious Try, Rohit and Siwa are still clashing. Curious Drive also solved this one in C#, that's nice. Only Rohit left. I used XOR for the first time in my life. I mean, it's a quite known trick, a bitwise trick. Curious. Okay, Rohit also submit this one. And yeah. That's nice. All past but 100% works, not 0%. Not sure honestly. Is there anyone that write in C also here? Maybe there's a, oh no, there's a C++ here, but not C as far as I can see. Yeah. Okay, and guys, honestly, I'm a little bit sorry, but my eyes really hurt. I don't know why, maybe because of the light. I can't continue it like that, and sorry about that. I have to call the night for this stream. And let me write my social accounts, my Twitter and YouTube account as well. Here are Discord. Oops, here are Discord accounts as well. And yeah, I will rate a begin vote. There's a begin vote called. I mean, it seems like a nice guy. He's Go Python begin world will return the glory. He's using some kind of Vim, Arch Linux, some kind of things. I think you will definitely like his stream. And Alice, Kuyu, 3NDev, Andre, Neto, Sahil, Maxim, MC, Lopidov, Curious, Programmer, Tomato, Seaboy, and Rohit. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I mean, it's an always pleasure to stream with you guys, honestly. And yeah, see you next time. I mean, sorry about that. I had to finish early. Maybe usually we will stream more than 3 hours, and but tonight it will be a little bit shorter than that. Thank you, Alice. Thank you so much, and thank you, and have a good night. I will rate the begin vote. Say to hi from him, and take care.
Oh my god, Milky Streams. We actually kicked him off Twitch for 1 week, though, so I could establish my territory again, but apparently he's going to come back here. Deleting some beers with the bros. Okay.